Good morning, students. Today's our topic is unordered list. In unordered list, our tags are UL. UL stand for unordered list. We can also say that bulleted list. For creating bulleted list, first you can write down the structure of HTML. HTML head. After that, you can write down title tag here, and after title you can write down the name of the title, and the title name is for example lists, and after that you can close the title tag here and then start the body tag. After body, just you can write down UL tag here. In ordered list, you can write down OL, and in unordered list, you can write down UL. This is the only difference in OL and UL. In UL, you can write down U, and in OL, you can write down O. So OL stand for ordered list, numbered list. If you want to create numbering list, then you can write down OL. If you want to create bulleted list, then you can write down UL. After that, you can write down the items here. For example, our first item is keyboard. Li tag is your empty as well as container tag, so no need to close this tag here, and after that you can close the UL tag. So just write down first UL. After UL, you can write down the list item number 1, keyboard, list item number 2, mouse. You can write any item here, and after that you can close the UL tag here, and after UL close, you can close the body tag, and after body you can close the head tag, and after head you can close the HTML here. After that you can save this file and you can open in browser, and you can just write down the name of the file. My name is 10th class 2.html, and then click on open. So you can see here the bulleted list, and the by default value of bulleted list is your disk. Only one attribute of UL tag is there. The name of the attribute is type. This is the common attribute in OL and UL. Type, only type attribute is common in ordered list and unordered list, but the values are different in OL and UL. In OL, type values are uh, Arabian number, Roman number, and your alphabets, small alphabet, capital alphabet. But in UL tag, only three values are there. One is your disk, DISC, and this is your by default type. This is your by default value. And second is your square, for example, SQUARE, square. And if you want to see the output of this, you can add in this H1, so size are increased and you can see the output clearly here. After that you can save it and you can refresh in browser, so you can see the output here. These are your squares, and the by defaults are disk, and the third one is your third value is your circle. You can write only change it and write down circle here, and you can refresh it, save it, and you can refresh in browser here, so you can see here the output is circle. Our next tag is DL, and DL stand for definition list. Definition list. If you want to create any paragraph and you want to write down the heading of this paragraph, then you can use the definition list. In definition list, the name of the tag is DL, definition list, and the spelling of definition is DEFINITION. Don't write down E. DEFINITION, definition list. In definition and list, two more tags are there. One is your DT, definition term. Definition term. And definition term means you write down the heading. For example, my heading is computer. And in this your main heading is computer, so you can write down the main heading in dt definition term. After that you can close the dt tag here, and these all are your container tag dl, dt and dd. dt definition term, dd definition description, and dl definition list. Between the dl two command tags are there, dt and dd. These all both work between the dl tag. So after that you can write down the dd, and these dd definition description always shown on the next line of the term. In first line you can see the term computer, and in next time you can see the definition. For example, here we can write down the definition, computer is, and we can write short definition here, electronic device. We can write only this definition, short definition here. So first you can write down dl, dl stand for definition list. After that you can write down dt, dt stand for definition term, and the term, the heading is our computer, and then only computer is my term, so we can close here dt. And after that dd definition description, define करना आपने, define your any term. So here we define the term computer. After that you can write down dd, and here we can close the dd tag here, and after dd you can close the dl in last definition list. You can close here, you can save it here again, and you can see the output here with the refresh. So you can see here, this is your main term computer, and this is the definition, and always your definition displayed in the next line. So here our three lists are completed. Our first list is ordered list, OL. Second list is UL, unordered list, and third list is your definition list, and the tag for this user DL. And then one more topic here, nested list. Nested means one list between the another list. If you want to create within the list, if you want to create one list between the another within the next list, then you can use the nested list. For example, we created one list, and number one input devices, and input devices we write down one. Number one is input devices. After that we want bullets. In bullets we want keyboard and mouse, for example. After that we want number two is our output devices, and in output devices we again write down 2 points, monitor and printer, and these 2 points we write down, for example, in ul tag. So start creating this nested list. So you can write change the title here, and now my title is nested list. And in nested list, for example, ul tags you can write here. First we can start the ol tag. Ol means ordered list. Why? Because in ol tag we add the ul tag. This is called a nested list. So first you can write down ol, and in ol you can first write down li, and li stand for list item, and my first list item is input devices. After that you can write down the uh, okay, input devices, and in input devices with 2 points are there. One is your keyboard and second is your mouse, and these 2 points in bullets. So we can write number one input devices. After that you can start the ul type is equal to circle, for example circle, and if you want to write down disk, then you can write down disk here, disc. So this means your dotted list. And after that you can write down list number, item number one keyboard, item number two mouse, and here your ul tag is closed. And after that we want second point is output. So just write down li here. This li is the part of your ol tag, and these li is the part of your ul tag. Our one ul tag completed here, our one unordered list completed here, but we start the ol tag, and that is continue. The first point in ol tag is input devices, and the second point is output devices. and in output devices again my unordered list is there, so you can create here ul, and in ul you can write down here li list item, and my first list item here is monitor, and my second list item here is for example printer, and after that you can close the ul tag. Now my ol tag is completed, ordered list is completed, so you can close the ol tag also here, and after that you can save this and you can refresh in the browser and you can see the output here. This is our nested list. First point is input devices, this is your ol tag, part of this ol tag, and the one your unordered list here keyboard and mouse, and then again the part of ol second item is output devices, and this is your unordered list. If you want this definition list in also in your nested list, then you can also you add in your order list, so you can just close the ol tag here for example, and you can also close the h1 here, and you can add just a dl tag, and after dl you can close the ol tag here, close it, sorry, and after ol you can close the heading 1 here, so you can see the output clearly. Save this file again, and here you can refresh your file. So this is your nested list, and the first item is input devices, then unordered list, then again your second point is ordered list is output devices, then again unordered list, then your definition list. In definition list computer is your definition term, and this is your definition description here. So clear everyone, here our list topic is completed.